Hold on. Listen, I was supposed to record this, but I stepped inside. I said, if I'm going to do it, let me just do it. So you can see what's in my head. I'm perming my leave out. Like, I know it's this thing about natural hair. My hair is natural. From my leave out back, it's natural. It's probably all going to fall down on the floor, and we're going to just let it fall. But I'm going to wear my hair, and I'm going to live, and then I'm going to die, and I'm going to grow it back again. So I'm saying that just to say I'm burning. And so I'm about to take this out of my hair. But I want my edges to lay down, completely down. So yeah, there's a whole debate I want to have, but I want to do this first. So let me get this out my head because my hair is burning somewhat. And oh God, did I let that go back? I did. My mistake. I just want to see if it took over here, which it looked like it did. It looked like it did take over here, and so yeah, we're going to I'm going to wash this out, and yeah, I ain't put no keratin products. I ain't mixed with nothing. I got black girl hair, whatever C you want to call it. We finna see that it's gonna lay the heck down so that I can make it do. I just don't want to have these debates about people perming their hair, people try to call them out, and I don't even think that's necessary to call people out about their hair. It's your hair. Do with it what you will. Wear it if you want. Don't wear it if you don't want. Cut it off if you want. Do whatever you want. And so it has definitely took, and so it's time to come out before I be burnt. So I will be back. So y'all see my curly hair. Okay, that's the back. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty when it's fresh. But then when it dry up, it be a mess. This is what this hair is looking like. This is what my edges is looking like baldy scaldy. My ends are definitely not tampered with. It's 99, which is the bluest black. I'm going to color my hair blue black, just to match this this hair. So that's what I'm about to do now.
one time. Oh, you wanna roll with a good girl. Do it big, do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, oh, you wanna roll with a good girl. Do it big, do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, oh, you wanna roll.